देखिए, आज मैं आप लोग को सर्कुलर मोशन बताने वाला हूँ। तो सर्कुलर मोशन होता है क्या? कहता है कि व्हेन ए पार्टिकल्स मूव्स अलोंग ए सर्कुलर पाथ विथ ए कांस्टेंट स्पीड, द मोशन इज सेड टू बी सर्कुलर। अब रही इन ए सर्कुलर मोशन में क्या होता है कि स्पीड ऑलवेज कांस्टेंट रहता है एंड वेलोसिटी चेंज करता है ईच एंड एवरी पॉइंट ऑन द सर्कमफेरेंस ऑफ सर्कल। So velocity change करता है, that due to change in velocity there is a acceleration develop in a there is a acceleration develop during the circular motion। तो develop होगा, तो acceleration जो develop होगा, अगर if a mass is associated with the acceleration, तो force is develop, तो this force is called a centripetal force। माने कह सकते हैं कि those force which is directed toward the center is called a centripetal force, and those force which is act from the center, that is a centrifugal force। Centrifugal force is nothing, it is only fictitious force, it is also called a pseudo force। समझे? माने according to third law of motion, if a centripetal force is directed toward the center, तो a equal and opposite force act away from the center is called a centrifugal force, and centrifugal force is called pseudo force, and pseudo force is applicable in a rotating motion or accelerating motion। मतलब in this way we say that this centrifugal force या pseudo force is applicable in a non-inertial frame of reference। Now अब हम डिस्कस करेंगे each and every point of circular force, माने circular motion in this chapter।